Hi everyone, I just want to show you how to use the Google map that we're using for Reading Week and how to add things to it. So go to the link that I've sent you out for each grade level and it takes you to the Google map we've created called The World is My Book. Choose the grade level that you want to add the layer to. So I've selected here early years grade 3 and 4. And then you select the location of the book that you're going to add to it. And for this one, I'm going to add Bogota, Colombia, because the book I want to add is from there. So I'm going to add it to my map, and I'm going to add a photograph of the book cover. So I need to download one, so I'll just download this image and then go back to my map and select it from my computer and open it. And then I'm just going to put in the name of the book, Biblioboro, which is one of our books that we're using for the picture book quiz by Jeanette Winter. I think it's Winter. And then just go save, or you might want to write a comment. The other thing you can do is you can actually change the icon. So I've been using icons to show things, and one of the icons you can choose is animals. There they are. So you might want to see if there's a donkey. Maybe a horse is the closest we'll get to it. So add a icon for it, go OK, and then you're done. And you've added Bogota to the map, so you can just see that it's done there. And then what will happen is eventually we will have your own map there, and it will show around the world. And then when we add all the layers together, when we've got your layers and all of them highlighted, we'll see all of the different stories that we will have read from around the world. So I hope that helps you understand how to do it. I'm a learner at this too, so if you've got some good ideas that you found using this program, please share them with other people. Please feel free to share this link with your students so they can have some fun adding things to it as well. So I hope this will work. It's our first time using it. Thanks for helping us out. Bye.